What's up guys, I'm Willis87 and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn these blocks into this awesome pixel project that you can hang on your wall. Let's go!
Seriously?
So if you watched the last video, we made this 8-bit Bowser and it was so much fun to make, I thought we'd try it again, and this time we'll be building the Nintendo logo. So let's get started. First, you want to print off your image so that you have something to look at while you're working. And here's the image that I used. And next, because we're going for this cool 3D effect, you're going to want to glue all your red blocks into groups of 2. So once you have all your blocks of 2 glued together, you should go ahead and paint those ones red and all the remaining ones white. However, I messed up and I decided to glue all the red pieces together first because I thought that'd be easier. But in the end, it ended up messing me up, and you'll see why later. So once your paint's all dry, it's time to start gluing them together. And at the beginning, I started on this side, and I thought everything was going great. But because I had a gap in the letter N right here, and a gap in the letter N right here, I guess the paint kind of dried and it kind of separated. It didn't seem like a big deal at the time, but by the time I got to the end, I had a bunch of open spaces, and I couldn't fit all the white pieces in there, so I kind of had to cut a couple to put them in there. So if you don't glue your pieces before and you glue everything all at once, you should get a lot better fit than what I did. One last thing, make sure you're doing this on a piece of paper and not a table, because some glue will seep through the cracks, and at the end your whole piece will be stuck to the table. Luckily I use paper, but as you can see, it'll definitely stick. And after all the clear coat is dried, then it's time to put on the mounting hardware. It's kind of a heavy piece, so I recommend that you hammer these in. But you could also glue them in, I guess, if you had a strong epoxy or a strong super glue. Just make sure that they're nice and secure, so that way none of the pieces fall off while it's hanging on the wall. And after that, your project's all done, so now all that's left to do, hang it up on your wall. So there you have it, the Nintendo logo. I think it looks awesome up here in the game room. Kind of goes with the poster and the Bowser. And while you're here, subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other videos that we have. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.